Hey, so welcome everyone. Welcome to our graduation. This is always a very exciting event, probably one of the most inspiring that we have, and I just really hope that you enjoy it. I think Sarah already mentioned, please turn on your cameras. Also, it'd be great if you could add your pronouns just in case. And we like to have a prompt at the beginning. So if you know of any good, clean coding jokes, please throw that in the chat. It'd also be awesome to hear where people are joining from. I am in San Francisco on Ohlone Ramaitu's land. Seattle, Portland, Houston, San Francisco, Green Lake, Los Palos. Oh my gosh, look at all of these. Austin, Oakland, more Austin, Seattle, Houston, Connecticut, Oakland, baby. Awesome. Wait, but do we not have a single joke? Come on, someone's got to have one. I know there's at least one about a pirate. Anyone know that one? Yay, Christina. Don't trust JavaScript programmers. All they do is promises, but they never. Boom. Cool. Does anyone know the pirate one? I'm so surprised. Oh, well, no one yet. What do JavaScript and moms have in common? Yes, there's the pirate one. I've actually heard two answers to the pirate one. What is a pirate's favorite programming language? The other one is the sea. Yes, and I'm sure some of you are like, what? Okay, why was the JavaScript developer sad? Because they didn't know how to express. I love funny jokes. They're my favorite. That's really good. Lola. Okay, sorry, this is not an event just to have me laugh at jokes. All right, so let's get started. I think we've got a good turnout here. And I just have to find my actual, oh, there it is. Okay. I need to minimize something. Okay, so let's jump right in with Happy Hanukkah, because Hanukkah is happening right now. Hooray. This is by Catherine Rowe Design. Let's do our tradition of some pre-cleansing breaths and some stretching. You can feel free to mute yourself, and we will start again in a few moments. Ooh, I think a few things clicked while I was stretching. Is that a good sign or a bad sign? I don't know. And Sarah knows a word for that, but I can't remember what it is. All right.
Crepitus. It's the best word.
Wait, you said it so loud I couldn't hear. What is it?
Crepitus.
Oh, crepitus. Yes, that's the one. Cool. Okay. Well, welcome everyone. Here's our agenda. You will hear from our STEM for a second, and then I will share some reflections. I will talk about the cohort. And I don't know if we actually talked about that. Or yeah, I guess Tiffany's going to be talking about the partnerships that we have. We'll do some thank yous. We'll talk about placements, group pictures. And then as a special surprise that we have not yet done, there will be an open mic for people to say congratulations. And then we'll move into karaoke. I'm so excited for this, especially because we have some trained musicians in the house that I have not actually heard sing. So this will be very awesome. You can stick around for that. It's optional, but it's going to be amazing. All right. So welcome. If you're not here for the Tectonica event, you are at the wrong event. Our mission is to help women and non-binary adults with low incomes overcome barriers into tech careers. And with Twitter nosediving, we may take this handle off for the next event, but we will see about that. All right, Sarah, over to you, the STEM.
Hi. Remember 6 months ago when you saw this slide and you were like, who is this lady I'm going to be seeing every day for the next 6 months? And here it is 6 months later. And hopefully you're like, yeah, I know who she is. I'm so proud of all of you. I know I'll say this again, and I've said it a million times, but I'm so proud of all of your growth, both technically and soft skilly, and just how well you've all worked together, and it's been amazing. And I don't know if I have another slide. Do I have another slide, Michelle? I don't think I do. It's just so happy to be here. I love you all.
Thanks, Sarah. All right. We always go over the short version of our code of conduct. The longer version can be found on our website, but here it goes. Tectonica is dedicated to providing a safe, inclusive, welcoming, and harassment-free space, an experience for all members and guests, regardless of gender identity and expression, sexual orientation, disability, physical appearance, socioeconomic status, body size, ethnicity, nationality, level of experience, age, or religion, or lack thereof. Our code of conduct exists because of that dedication. We do not tolerate harassment in any form, and we prioritize marginalized people's safety over privileged people's comfort. Our full code of conduct can be found at tectonica.org/conduct. So maybe I should introduce myself earlier. As the person leading this meeting, I'm Michelle Glauser. My pronouns are he, her, and I am the founder and CEO of Tectonica. One thing that's super unique about Tectonica, besides us being a nonprofit, which not a lot of intensive training programs are, is that we fund everything by finding corporate sponsors. And that way we can offer tech training and living stipends and laptops and job placements. And yeah, when I first started Tectonica and pitched that to companies, they didn't get it. And I guess many still don't, but it was a unique business model that people had not heard of before. And a lot of people were doubtful that it would work, but here we are. This is the 8th cohort. And looking back on this cohort, there have been so many apps and code challenges. I don't know if this number is exactly right. We're still working on it, but I think it's about 98 hours of volunteering help for each participant, which is pretty cool. Thanks, Linda. We've been doing get to know yous with staff and board members, and that is always lots of fun. We launched a testimonial page on our website. We never had that before. This is what it looks like. Thanks to Tiffany for putting that together. It looks great. We were just remarking in a team meeting like an hour ago that Tiffany worked on that. She's not a coder. She literally on GitHub edited HTML. So that's pretty awesome. And she was like, maybe I should do free code camp now. And we were like, yes. But first help us find someone to replace you if you're going to go that route. But yeah, it looks great. We're so excited to have that. And with some new reviews from the cohort about to graduate, we could probably add those to the testimonial page and you'll see those things. But yeah, there are a whole bunch of really great testimonials on there. Check it out, scroll down, looks great. Also, amazing final project. I always marvel at the final project. I love to see people's different personalities and interests come out when they build those final projects. And I feel like that's really motivating to be able to pick what you're gonna work on. So that's pretty awesome. I see we have some hands up. What are the hands for? Do people have questions? Oh no, never mind. It went down. Okay, cool. So moving on, we also have had some really hard things. We've had family issues pop up. There have been health problems. We had layoffs with lots of companies, including some sponsors, and then they backed out or left us in limbo for a very long time. We had to say goodbye to one participant, and we did official interviews, which are already super nerve-wracking. Why? So that was an ordeal in some ways, but fortunately we were able to figure out some solutions for the placements that we were missing. But it has been a roller coaster. Also, we had some grads complete the MLH program, which is exciting. The Twitter social good team contacted us after their layoff saying, we have laptops for you, and sent us new laptops. So that was really awesome of them. Sarah put together key takeaways and end of day quizzes for the cohort. And that has been really helpful for people to understand what is most important and understand what they need to work on. So that is wonderful. Also, we had more applicants than we've ever had before. And with each round for the last, actually maybe every round, it's been our goal to have at least 30% Black applicants and 30% Latinx. And we actually went past those this last application round. So that's so awesome. We just really want to be serving the people who are most underrepresented in tech and most in danger of displacement and income disparity as a result of tech. So yeah. Also, project reviews and games. I just have to mention that this is like, how do I say this? The Friday project reviews and games, like that's my favorite time of the week. It is so fun. And with this current cohort, it felt especially uplifting because there was so much group love, and you're already seeing this in the chat, right? And now I have to show you a video. I filmed one of those project reviews, and look how fast the chat moved, and people are just so excited for each other. It makes me really happy. So I had to share about that. Cool. Okay. So also some pictures of all of this. This is the cohort on onboarding day. And I think everyone was a little nervous. They didn't really know each other yet, but they would soon. And yeah, then as they moved into the program, they made a recipe app. So here's one example of that app with creamy butter chicken. And those games that we played on Friday, here are some examples of the kind of Pictionary telephone game we like to play called Gartic Phone. We also did some other games like Gym Kit and this murder party one that was really interesting. So much fun. Also, we built games apps and a book database app. Yeah, and there was that one time that Linda built all of the games that you could build. So way to go, Linda. That was so cool. Also, we, for the last two cohorts, have had a tradition of we do org-wide meetings every 2 months. And for the first one, we invited the graduates. And for the second one, we invited mentors. But this is the screenshot we did at the one with the mentors. And it was right around Halloween time, which is why you see some of those pumpkin backgrounds. Yeah, what else? Weather apps, quiz apps, lots of code sharing and cool colors. Kimberly always went for this pink that kind of became the Kimberly pink, which was great. And yeah, so this is our 8th cohort. After today, we'll have 88 graduates, which is pretty cool. And our overall weekly satisfaction average went up by 9 points since the last cohort. So hooray, that's out of 4. And that's kind of what we always watch to see how the weeks are doing and which weeks need adjusting. That's also how we know if participants have been meeting with their mentors or not, or if there are specific days that need help or a lot of different things. Thank you everyone in the program for filling out the many surveys that we have. That's how we get the feedback we need. So looking forward, we are starting a new cohort of 15 in January. If you are from the new cohort, raise your hand or cheer or something, put something in the chat. Yay, Tanya. Thanks for joining. Yeah, it's going to be great. I am so excited. I've already met with most of the new cohort members, and it's been wonderful getting to know them. We will, of course, be continuing our org-wide meetings. We also have weekly staff action items meetings where we talk about issues and brainstorm how to solve them. And that has resulted in a lot of amazing changes over the last year. And that's where we make improvements. Also, brand new, as of Friday, we now have a program called the CEFR program. And this is basically a program to support Tectonica graduates who are looking for jobs, because it's a very tricky job market right now. And I just talked to a lot of grads who said that they were getting really far in their interviews, but companies at the end were like, oh, actually, we have a hiring freeze, or we are only hiring staff engineers right now. So it's a tricky time. And after hearing about so many struggles from grads, we decided to put together a CEFR program. And basically, we are using the funding that goes beyond what we need for the next cohort, or what we think we're going to have. We're almost there. To provide them with stipends, and then they can have some group accountability and structures to work on applying and doing data structures and algorithms and practicing with each other. So hopefully they will be able to get jobs as soon as possible, because that can be such a discouraging process. But if you have other people to check in with, that really is helpful. And yeah, so far we have 11 people who want to join that. So that'll be pretty cool. Yay, time to get to know our cohort. This is Alma. And I just remembered that I have to share my sound, huh? Okay, just a second. Share sound. Okay. I hope this is going to work. Nope, that's the wrong one. Okay. Here we go. Alma, and this is her final project.
Hello everyone, my name is Alma, my pronouns are she, her. I'm a Texas native who grew up in what most would have considered a digitally divided background. Before Tectonic, I was studying biology and healthcare. My time spent in quarantine showed me the immense impact tech can have on communities during a time of need. In that time, I learned that tech better aligned with my goals, and I think I would make a great software engineer because of my desire to make an impact. I enjoy opportunities where I'm able to challenge myself and foster community. My experience at Tectonica granted me the privilege by nurturing that desire to learn and by allowing me to contribute to the program's open source curriculum. And it's led to a ripple effect because that's going to assist future cohorts. I'm most excited to step into this career field because it will allow me to bridge interest and accessibility for others, everybody. I think tech is for everybody and anybody who has a drive to learn, and I'm really looking forward to the change that more representation will bring. This is my final project, Commander's Keep. Commander's Keep is a card archiving system for hobbyists of the game Magic the Gathering. The system will allow players to archive their collection and to keep track of anything that they own and that they have placed into their decks. If you hover on over to my archive, you're able to search for cards by name and add them into your collection, and then later add them into your deck if you so please. Within my collection, the user is able to add cards to their deck or delete them depending on the status. Let's go ahead and add one and delete another. Within my deck, the user is able to keep track of whatever it is that is in play for them, and they're also able to delete cards from their collection and from their deck.
Awesome. Way to go, Alma.
Hello everyone, my name is Alma, my pronouns are she,
Go
her.
to the next one. Okay, here's Angel.
Hello, everyone. My name is Angel Sanchez. My pronouns are they, them, and I'm transitioning into tech from the field of education. I'm transitioning because I want to be in a field that is always changing and challenge me to work. So during my time at Tectonica, I have been able to use my skills that I acquire in the field of education, such as working with a diverse group of people and critical thinking skills. And during my time in Tectonica, I learned how to think logically and how to expand my creativity skills. So I use these skills on my projects to express myself and show my many passions. So now let me walk you through my final project. So this is my application, and this application was made for any user who is interested in the trade career. The user can go ahead and log in this application using Auth0. Once the user is logged in, it will show their name, will say hello in the user's name, and they will land into this landing page. And within this landing page, the user will see a motivational quote, which I got from Motivational Quote API. So the user can go ahead and explore the different trades by going ahead and clicking on this button to explore the different trades. And once they click on this button, it will navigate them to the trades page. And within the trades page, it will have the list of trades. In which in these list of trades, each trade is it's within their own card, in which in each card the trade this trade information, for example, it has the name of the trade, the link to the trade video, and it also has the different colleges that offer that trade. So if they click on the trade video, they want to learn more about that trade, it will take them to YouTube so they can learn more about that trade. Also, if once they start exploring the different trades within each card, it has a favorite button, so the user can click on the favorite. And once they click on the favorite, the users will see their favorite trade cards on this favorite page, and the user, it will be safe for the user.
Amazing. Thank you, Angel.
Hello, everyone. My name is Angel Sanchez.
Nope. All right, Berlin.
Hi everyone, my name is Berlin Lucian. Berlin like the capital of Germany. I am from Miami, Florida, born and raised. I am also a first generation Haitian American. Before Tectonica, I worked as a bridge operator for 7 years. Congratulations everyone! This field is very rare. You probably won't meet another bridge operator. Not too many people is in this field. As you can see, I am also a mother to a lovely 10-year-old, sometimes going on 18, little girl named Aaliyah. I love to travel, but when I'm not traveling, I enjoy being outdoors. I enjoy taking my daughter to the Everglades where we ride bikes and see alligators on the side of the bike paths. Sometimes I do like to challenge myself, so I would join any Spartan race competition. And during my downtime, I enjoy sketching and reading some books on my iPad. I hope you enjoy learning some stuff about me. Skin Appeal, which is a reference tool for students to be able to identify how certain skin condition looks on Black and brown skin. So as we're logging in, students are able to have their own dashboard, which will show a reference card of pictures and tips on how to spot how certain skin condition looks on Black and brown skin. Students also can look up dictionary word, medical word, if they're not sure if they're not sure of the type of wording. So they can look that up, and they also can have a reference page where they're able to get textbooks that will help them be able to identify much better on how a certain skin condition looks on Black and brown skin. So this is my project. skim it too. Thank you.
Yay.
Hi, everyone.
No, why does it do that every time? Diana.
Hello, everyone. My name is Diana Olivas, and my pronouns are she, her. I was a pre-med student that got a taste of coding through SageMath. I was building biological models using Python 3. My interest in coding grew more after joining ACM Studio, a club focused on game development through Unity. I was put into different teams where we were working in a fast-paced environment to push out games in several game jams. After watching the programming team from the sidelines through the creative team, I realized that it was something I wanted to explore more than just a hobby or even a passion. Deciding it was time to switch from med into tech, that is where I came into place with Tectonica. Here I was able to learn the fundamentals of coding and programming through JavaScript and actually build a project from scratch. I learned how to collaborate with the team and how to better communicate. I also learned a whole new tech stack. Even though now my time at Tectonica is slowly coming to an end, my tech journey is really just starting and can't wait to start as a software engineer. Welcome to Anime Tracker. Here you're able to look for an anime, add it to your list, mark completed. Right here we have a default of Naruto. You're able to get a quick synopsis, add it to your list, and get more anime info. We will test the search bar by looking for Paradise Kiss, and we will add to our list, get more anime info. Right here it has more information about the anime, a working trailer. Scroll down, we have a working comment section. I am going to write hello. Submit that, and we scroll down, our comment was added right here regarding that user. You're able to get the top rankings of different categories for anime, manga, people, and characters. You're also able to get the schedule for a different date, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on. You're able to toggle between a light and dark mode. You're getting user information. Right here, the user is able to mark completed. Right here is the added anime, and you can even remove from your list. There's also a working contact form that the user is able to fill out with their own information, and they receive the email, and so does the admin account.
Way to go, Diana. Harneet.
My name is Harneet Kaur and my pronouns are she, her. I'm based out of the Bay Area and I started my career as an accountant, and as a part of that journey, I got to work in a small IT firm, which introduced me to the possibilities in the technology and really inspired me to learn more about it. Having gotten a chance to learn to code by myself during the pandemic, I started to really get into it as the problem-solving aspect of it really kept me engaged. My time at Tectonica gave me a chance to indulge my curiosity by learning about all the different technologies and implementing some of those in my projects. It also helped me to hone my analytical and collaborative skills. I really enjoyed working with my mentors and other cohort members, and it's been such a wonderful journey so far. For my final project, I've built a national parks web application because I love visiting national parks and I want to encourage everyone to explore and visit and be charmed by the beauty of the national parks. The Create Outdoors is a full-stack fun application that lets the user plan their next vacation and explore all the different parks all across the US, as well as search for the different activities they want to do on their next trip. I have integrated my application with National Park Service API and using the HTTP request displaying all the park-related information. Through this very interactive map, user can select any state to explore its national park. User can also use the filter functionality to look for any national park in that particular state. If the user remembers the name of the park, they can simply search it using the search bar, and then they can also favorite unfavorite any of their national park and see all the list here. User can also select any of the national park to see all the park related information. I really hope you enjoyed this brief walkthrough and would like to use this app for your next vacation.
Janice.
Hi, my name is Janice Montecillo, and I'm a member of Tectonica's current cohort. I am a recent graduate from UCLA with a background in English, journalism, public speaking, research, publishing design, and service industry. I find that I've always had a strong work ethic, always having worked about 2 to 3 jobs at a time, but I'm ready to take this effort and ambition and invest it into tech, where I know I can reach more people who need women of color. I believe my transition into tech from humanities will not only be seamless, but in fact complementary. The creativity and critical thinking I fostered in my previous positions has proven to be beneficial in my time at Tectonica, designing full-stack projects weekly. and I'm excited to carry it over to even larger projects. I find that the creativity I use to write poetry is the same kind of creativity I use to write code. And so today I'm excited to share with you a project called Vote Ready, which was inspired by the qualms I'd faced every year of keeping track of the people I'd want to vote for. And so this one is for LA. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Vote Ready. This is a web application that aims to provide a simple and accessible organization of the current candidates and referendums on the Los Angeles ballot. So I've already logged in here with Auth0. You can find the candidates here. They can be added and deleted as needed. And the referendums will be laid out for you as well. This is a functional feedback form where the user and the creator myself will receive emails. You can find the mission here. And this is a locations feature that allows you to search for a location based on the city and will link you to directions using the latitude and longitude of the API. And the saved will be found here, where you can also delete. My favorite feature is this translation feature that translates in French and Spanish and will persist throughout the page using cookies. Some goals for the future would be to add more languages, filter candidates, and use Google API to view voting locations on a map. Thank you for listening.
Hey,
Hi,
Janice.
my name is
Jocelyn is next.
Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn Briseño and my pronouns are she, her. I'm originally from Los Angeles, California, but I moved to Sacramento 10 years ago, so this is home now. I am really passionate about making a difference in my community, and I decided to become a software engineer because I believe that I can make a bigger difference through technology. I'm thankful to Tectonica for the opportunity and for providing the tools necessary for me to build my first application. I'm also thankful for my colleagues, mentor, friends, and family for pushing me to reach this point in my life. So I really hope you enjoy this walkthrough. Thank you. The name of my application is Terra, and Terra stands for Terapia, and that translates to therapy in Spanish. And the goal of this application is to provide users a platform where they can learn more about mental health and track their emotions. When the user logs into the application and sign in through Auth0, they are redirected to this landing page, and the landing page gives the user a little bit more information about how the website works and the importance of mental health and seeking help if necessary. Users can go to the videos tab and they can select different topics about mental health. And these videos are being rendered from the YouTube API. If the user decides, they can like the video and they can also watch the video. When the user goes to the favorites tab, they're greeted with a motivational quote that is being rendered from a motivational API. And they're asked how their day is going. They can log how their day went and select a feeling. And they can add that to their daily emotions. If they continue to scroll down, users will see a list of all the liked videos from the videos tab. And if they decide, they can also unlike that video. Users can also watch their liked videos in the favorites tab. There's also a resource page that takes users to a list of different mental health hotlines. And the mental health hotlines have a minor description and a button that will then redirect the user to that particular website.
Awesome. Thank you so much. All right, Kimberly.
Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly and I go by she, her, and I'm currently located in Orange County, California. Before transitioning into tech, I got my bachelor's and my master's degrees in public health, and I was working as a COVID case investigator. After work, I started to learn how to code on the side, and I soon realized that the goals I wanted in a career were not in healthcare. And I started to see how technology became more interesting to me because of the opportunities for creativity, lifelong learning, collaboration, and the evolving technology. While being in Tectonica, I have also put my problem-solving skills to the test, and I've been enjoying my progress so far. As I continue this journey, I hope I can contribute to tech by helping people all around the world and to increase opportunities for those who look like me to transition into tech. And now I'm going to show my project. Welcome to Kimberly's Collection Store. It's an e-commerce store app where you can shop for clothing, sort items by price and rating, and purchase items. Right now, you are seeing the homepage. When you click on shop, you'll be prompted to log in. And once you logged in, you can now be shown the shop page. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see our clothing items in the store. You can add items. You can also sort items by price if you want. If you also want, you can sort items by customer review. Once you are satisfied with your items, you can click on the cart and you can see all the items that you have just added. So I'm going to delete this item and this item. Now that you are satisfied with your cart, you can now purchase items and you'll be prompted a message. You can click back to go back to the home page, or you can see your order history, which we have just ordered. And you can also log out back to the home page. Thank you for seeing Kimberly's collection.
Amazing.
Hi, everyone. My name is
All right. Linda.
Hi, my name is Linda Sanchez, and I am a recent UCLA graduate with a degree in computational neuroscience. Through my time in undergraduate studies, I came to realize that I cannot sustain a lifestyle doing research because I just love to see my work come to life. And one of the reasons why I love tech is that my ever-growing curiosity, my thirst to learn, and my love for problem solving were just a few of the boxes that the tech industry had checked off. And in my time in Tectonica, I really came to value collaboration, teamwork, and realize the importance of a welcoming and supportive community. I really hope to pay this forward by making tech more accessible for underrepresented folks through fostering a safe and healthy environment, and by creating products and working on projects that will make a difference for others and enhance others' quality of life. Thank you. Manga Rage or Manga Garage is an application for those who are passionate about manga and would like to keep track of a reading list. I'd like to start off with the admin view, where the admin can view and manage all users, and to show you all how satisfying it is to have a completed poster. Next, I will use Auth0 authentication to log into an existing user, and you can see here that the user needs to pass a quiz in order to scratch off the poster card using this custom coin. The bookshelf allows the user to search for a manga in real time. If the manga is not already in their list, they can add it to a will read, currently reading, or completed list. The drag and drop functionality allows the user to move mangas between lists. Let's say I just started reading One Piece. Flash forward, I can move One Piece to the completed list and give it a rating. You can also edit each field. Moving forward, I would love to be able to add more media queries to make it more mobile and other device friendly. I would also like to add a contact form so the user can send me a list for a customized poster, plus a comment section under each manga, and maybe also a sort functionality so that the user can sort by title, year, and rating. Thank you.
So awesome. Way to go. And Melissa.
Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Natividad. My pronouns are she, her, and I'm from Oakland, California. Growing up, I had always wanted to be a software engineer due to my love for math, science, and video games. Due to my family's strong expectations of me being a second-gen Filipino American, as well as being a woman, instead I became a registered nurse. I wasn't satisfied with this, however, because I knew I needed more innovation and creativity in my everyday job. So I decided to start over. I worked as a content moderator for a few years, and I took online classes on the side about programming, which I really enjoyed. In the end, it was Tectonica that really inspired me and provided me the opportunity to take the leap towards becoming a software engineer, and I couldn't be more excited to be on this path. Someday, I hope to pay Tectonica's mission forward by mentoring and championing other underrepresented folks like myself who want to pursue their dream careers in tech. Thank you. Priority Health is a diet planning app made especially for folks adjusting to new dietary needs. With Priority Health, users can safely log in via Auth0 and experience 3 main features. The first is the meal wellness log. Every time a user signs in, they'll be able to track and view their wellness log. Here, previous logs are rendered in uniform cards color-coded by how the meal made them feel. At the top here, users can get a view of color-coded cells that represent the last 60 days of their logs. Another key feature is the food tolerance list. Here, users can track foods in color-coded cards according to what they can tolerate. Clicking on a single food item card can allow the user to view their notes about the food item, as well as this nutrition label I designed with info that comes directly from Edamam's Nutrition Analysis API. Users can also log new recipes as well as add them to multiple collections. Using a React library called Interweave, users can style and view their input instructions with HTML without the risk of cross-site scripting attacks. Additionally, input ingredients are scraped and parsed in order to display a clean, user-friendly ingredients list, as well as for sending requests to Edamom's food list API to display the nutritional info about a recipe.
So awesome.
Hi, everyone.
All right, Mia is up next.
Hello, my name is Mia. My pronouns are she and her. My background is in sales and service, so I was able to gain the skill of understanding many sides and perspectives, which translates into diverse communication and seeing many solutions to a problem. I actually grew up with the love for neuroscience and physics, so after high school, I dedicated my time to pursuing the dream of becoming an engineer through studying sciences and math. That's when I found Tectonica. During my time here, I've learned so much in a short period of time. I went from learning how to code a simple for loop into building a full stack web application. Like, that's pretty amazing. But moving forward, I would like to continue demonstrating my value of making an impact and improving the organization for the companies that I'm a part of. My project is a great demonstration of this value. Originally, Tectonica came to me about a problem they were having, keeping track of who has been in a group with each other so they can meet as many others as possible. And I'll be happy to provide a demo for my solution coming to life. After creating an account and clicking the Welcome In button, you're prompted to enter your organization name. Once the organization is verified against your email, navigation is enabled. Head over to the tables page using the cool Swifty sidebar, paste your list of names or upload a CSV file and type in your event title. You're then met with a table of names for your event. Click the Create Groups button to activate the Mighty Sortation algorithm. Let's do 4 people in each group for 7 rounds. After submitting, your results will be waiting for you on the groups page. Simply select which event you want to display and watch the sorted groups appear before your eyes. I created the group sortation algorithm to ensure that everyone will meet each other without having too many duplications within each round of groups. You can verify this through the even spread of integers, which represents the number of times each person has met each other. If you decide you want someone to collaborate with you outside of the organization, just send an invite. They'll check their email for a link to the website. After signing up, they will have access to the organization's data, making this the ultimate collaboration tool.
The ultimate collaboration tool. So awesome. All right, Press.
Hi, my name is Precious Worthy. I go by Presh. I use she, her, they, them pronouns, and I'm currently based in Oakland, California. I'm transitioning into tech with a background in hospitality, and I think that's why I would be a great fit in the tech industry. With so many years of client-facing experience, I've been able to fulfill my role to be of direct service to others, but also at the same time, I wasn't really being challenged mentally. And so programming bridges that gap for me. As a self-taught developer, I was running into some roadblocks with trying to figure out where to take my learning next. And so Tectonica has been a huge help in providing a roadmap for me in my coding journey. So ultimately, my goal as a software engineer is to continue to be of service to other people by building apps that makes all of our lives just a little less harder. I built a web app called Utify that is a music blog that requires the user to have a Spotify playlist because it also gives the user access to their Spotify playlist. And so on the landing page, the user is prompted to log into Spotify. And so we'll go in and we'll authorize Spotify to use Utify. And then we are met with a list of all of the users' playlists. The blog is here under the news tab. And so all of these articles are being pulled from our database here. We also have a feature where the user can see their profile that is connected to Spotify as well. And then another feature is our contact form down here that's connected to the database as well.
Woo! Ruth is next. Come on. There we go.
I'm on a time budget recording this because my 2 small kids and my spouse are home today from school. There's a boil water notice in our city, and so school was canceled in our area. And so they went to the park so that I could record this and introduce myself. I am Ruthie Irvin. My pronouns they, them. I live in Houston, Texas with my spouse and 2 kids. I'm a partner, a parent, a friend, a programmer, a sibling, a caregiver to a disabled parent. And now I'm a full stack engineer on the Pern stack. Really excited to learn new things at my sponsor company in the future. And knowing that in the face of anything, I will find a balance to learn what I gotta learn to do a great job. And that's what I'm bringing with me.
A programmer. So I'm on day 3 of my Python 3 program on Codecademy. And I am a programmer. That's my affirmation for myself. I am a programmer. Let's see what happens.
Oh, those affirmations, amazing. All right, Sophia.
Hi everyone, my name is Sophia Peng and my pronouns are she, her. I've always liked solving puzzles and understanding how things work since I was little, and I especially like taking a design idea or a concept and turning it into something that I create myself or recreating the thing that I saw that inspired me. And I've been really grateful that Tectonica has given me the skills and tools to do this, and I'm really excited to join a partner company and start working on real-world problems. I've learned that the team I'm on and the problems that I'm solving play a big role in helping me stay inspired and motivated to work hard. And I've learned that everyone at Tectonica is extremely capable and passionate and talented. And I'm excited to bring this passion to the team that I'm working on. My app is called Falcon Framework, and it comes from when I was younger, wanting to see how different people got to where they ended up in their careers. And one way to do this is using LinkedIn to see people's previous education history and experience history, but I thought it would be really cool to render this onto a network graph. And so I present to you Falcon Framework and how it works. So if we go here, I will show you when I click upload, I have the URL already queued. If you give it a few seconds, it will call the resume API. And this returns the big JSON object with all the data. As you can see, there's all the education. When we go back to the home page, this takes in the data that we got and calls the image API. So then in my PG admin, we have our universities that showed up here. And then we go to our network. We can test the network render, and these show the universities from the resume.
Super cool. Supriya.
Hi, my name is Supriya. I will go with the pronouns she or her. I have a master's in botany and work as a teacher in India. After moving to the USA, I took break from my teaching career. I spend my days raising my kids and hiking with my family. During pandemic time, I started programming as a hobby. I started solving programming puzzles, which motivates me to learn more. Then I joined Tectonica to change my hobby to career. In Tectonica, I got the opportunity to contribute to the curriculum and work with a diverse group of people. Now I am excited to start my new journey in an industry where I can grow, share my thoughts, and learn from others. Thank you for sponsoring us. To Restaurant Menu app. I built this app for my uncle who owns a restaurant in India but doesn't have the website. This website is user friendly. I am going to start demo in desktop version. As a customer, I can add the menu, delete the menu, and change the quantity of the item. Let's go to the review section. These reviews are coming from Google Play's API. Customer can get the direction to the restaurant and send the message to the admin. Let's move on to the admin section. As an admin, I can log into the system, get the message from the customer, and delete the message. Admin can search the item, add the item, and edit the item, and also change the availability of an item. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Sochi.
Hi, my name is Sochi and my pronouns are she, her. My professional background is in public government and transportation, and I recently decided to shift into tech after taking a few classes at my local community college. I really loved the material because it was much like a puzzle with multiple solutions to get to the answer, and it was really exciting. It really resonated with who I am as a person because I'm a curious person. I'm always asking questions and I'm always learning something new. And I'm really excited to find a team that will be collaborative and supportive as I take the next steps in this journey. So this is my project. It's called CycleRoute. It's for cycling enthusiasts and the casual cyclist alike. It allows them to map their ride and it gives them the most efficient route from point A to point B. If you go ahead and map it, it gives them their distance and duration, and it also displays the route for them. The user can also add their route and it'll go to their favorites list. As you can see, it's already in here. It'll have all the pertinent information. You can edit the notes, you can close notes, you can remove it. And as you can see, some of these already have notes in them. You can also see your profile. And if you don't own a bicycle and you have a station that's near you, you can go ahead and look at the different locations and find the one closest to you. You can also see the one that has available stocking stations. You can view more, you can filter. Once you're done filtering, you can go back to home. And if I had more time, some of the features I would add is the bike stations. I would add a favorite section to that. On my favorites page, I would love to have the map on here and re-render each time so that the user can see their path. And I would also love to add the directions just so that it could be more user-friendly. And that's it. Thank you so much.
Yay. Yoli.
Hello, everyone. My name is Yolisma Zacharias. My pronouns are she and her, and I'm from Watsonville, California. I'm a first-generation Latina transitioning into tech with a medical office administration background. I'm interested in tech because it's a lifelong journey. You're gaining experience and knowledge every day, which leads to improving yourself and what you bring to your surroundings. I believe I would be a great software engineer because of my dedication to learning and my love to collaborate and grow with others. Being a part of Tectonica has been such a great blessing, and although my chapter with them is coming to a close, I'm very excited to use the skills that I've gained from the program and be able to use them in the next chapter of my journey in tech. Thank you. Hello, everyone. For this part of my video, I will be presenting to you my final project called Java Sweet Cafe. As soon as you log in, so again, the user is able to either sign up if they haven't created an account, or they can just simply sign in. The purpose of this application is for coffee lovers to be able to have the access to the ingredients and be able to recreate these hot and cold coffee drinks at the comfort of their own home. When you're in the application, you're being greeted. There's an introduction paragraph, my carousel of photos here, my section of hot coffees that includes the ingredients and description of what each coffee is. I also have a section of iced coffees. And the user is able to also receive coffee facts every day. If they go to this page here and just click on the button, there's more images here to add more fun to the page. And the user is able to add any drinks that they may be experimenting with and be able to save it in this application. And I created a form here where they're able to upload it. And there's a delete button. And that is my final project. Thank you.
Woohoo! I would totally go to that cafe. All right. Let me stop sharing for a second because we've got to refresh. I really wish Google Slides would fix that. All right. Okay.
Let's take the screenshot now that we have 2 pages of people on Zoom. Before
You want to take that early? Yeah, we could do that.
But wait, let us have all of our grads put on the graduation hat. That's the Zoom filter for the screenshot.
Okay, so yeah, then maybe we should do it after the match announcement so everyone's super excited because that's what's coming next. So here we go. I'm going to hand it over to Tiffany.
Awesome. Yay, I'm so excited to make the announcements for the matches. Yeah, the 3 partners we have are Cisco Meraki, Sony, and then Indeed. So the moment we've all been waiting for. Next slide, please. So the folks that will be going to Cisco Meraki are Diana, Harneet, and Linda. Yay! So Sony's team will be divided into QA and software engineering, and folks that will be going to the QA teams on Elena's team will be is it Melissa? Yay! So Priya's on Alex's team, Kimberly's on Kate's team, Presh will be joining Monica's team, and then Jocelyn will be joining Musimi's team. On the software engineering side, Janice will be joining Mahira's team, Alma will be joining Orlando's team, Berlin will be joining Pulumi's team, Angel will be joining Shakar's team, and Shochi will be joining Zane's team. So for Indeed, Mia will be joining Ed's team, and then Sophia will be joining Jason's team. Yay! And I would love for, sorry about that. And Ruthie will be joining Tectonica as a technical assistant. I would love for all of us to unmute and just like scream at the top of our lungs and congratulate everyone who has done such an amazing job for the past 6 months. It's really incredible to be at this point. And it's just the beginning of your careers. I'm so proud of everyone.
Woo!
Yay! Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Let's do the screenshot.
Almost. First, we have to thank all of the people who made this possible. Honestly, it wouldn't have happened without so much support from sponsors, donors, advocates, mentors, volunteers, and friends and family, even some who are here right now. So thank you so much for making that possible. And now we will do our group screenshot. So if you feel comfortable having your picture on possibly our newsletter or social media, feel free to turn on your camera and
I'm loving Harneet's grad hat. If any of the grads want to stick the grad hat on, remember you do it with the
oh my gosh.
the video filter and you stick it on there.
I did not even think of that. Do all the cohort folks want to do that?
Angel's like, nope.
No, I meant like I don't have that filter. Sorry.
Oh, you don't
Oh, you
have
don't
that
have
one.
that one? Oh.
Sad face. That's okay. Maybe we can Photoshop one on you. All right. On 3, smile at your cameras. Oh, we've got people still showing up. Maybe we need one more joke while everyone's getting settled. Hair poofing out just like a real one. Oh, Angel, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. All right, on 3, everybody smile. 1, 2, 3. Oh, just kidding, it's not working. Why is it making that sound? Okay, on 3 again. 1, 2, oh, someone else is showing up. No, nothing? Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I did a few of us smiling. Now we have to do our cheering one, which is the extra cheesy one that's super excited. So I usually do the one-handed wave because I'm also pressing buttons, but feel free to do whatever is really exciting, and it's super fun. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Lex, that was especially great. Thanks for that. Cool. Okay. So now we're gonna move into open mic time, which is where folks who are here to support can unmute and say some kind congratulatory words for people they're here for. So who would like to start us off?
I would like to start. I'm so proud of all of you, and I'm especially proud of Yolise for killing it the last 6 months. Woo! Happy graduation, babe.
Thanks, Sarah. Anyone, just feel free to unmute and go for it.
As someone from the new cohort, it's so awesome to be able to see what everybody made. And it's just really cool to see like what, I'll be making in the future. And I'm just so excited for everybody. And it's so cool to see y'all. Good luck with everything.
What's up, y'all? I just want to give a big congratulations to my little sister, Mia. She has worked so hard to get here, and I am super proud of you.
Hey,
So
Mia,
proud of you,
love you.
Jocelyn.
Love you, Mia. So proud of you. I'm your proud dad.
Congratulations to all the graduates. I know you guys will go into the future and make remarkable progress. So I'm so proud of all of you, but I'm proud of my daughter, Mia. Congratulations.
Hi, everyone. Super proud of this one. And everyone that worked with her and helped her and all the things that y'all are doing too. You guys are amazing, truly, and in for a wild ride.
Congrats to all the grads. Amazing presentation. Just want to shout out to my sister, Kimberly. Congrats, sis.
Like my video ago. I think I turned it off.
Congratulations, Diana. You made it this far, and it's only the beginning. I'm so excited to see what you do. You are the change I want to see in the world, so keep doing it.
Should I start calling on other people? Liliana, you want to say anything?
Oh, sorry. I'm very impressed with the projects. Congratulations, everybody. Yes, it's pretty cool. Thanks for inviting me.
Yay. Brianna, did you get a chance to say anything you want to? Or Gabby, or I don't know.
I guess just congratulations to everyone. As a previous grad, I know how much work went into all of this, and so great job. Good luck. You know, there are many great things coming at your internships, and so I, wish you the best of luck with that. Special shout out to Angel. We started trying to learn a while ago together, and it's great to see you here. Congratulations.
Yes, hi, yeah. I'm Lisa. Just 6 months ago, I graduated from Tectonica, and it's so amazing to see everyone making great projects, and I'm really, really excited for all of you. I just got my job offer for, from my placement, so, good vibes to everyone, and special shout out to Harneet. Congratulations. Very excited for everyone.
Because I'm being pressured to say something. Congratulations to everyone. You have all made me very proud. You know who I'm talking about. Very happy to help a lot of you during office hours and on Slack as well. Did all great, amazing final projects, and I'm very much looking forward to your futures.
Hey there, my name is Taylor. I'm a previous graduate with the 2021 cohort, and just wanted to say congratulations to everyone who's graduated with this current cohort and making it this far in your new tech journeys. As long as y'all take your growth mindsets that you've developed and grown throughout your time with Tectonica, and that creativity that y'all have been fostering and building up, y'all are going to do great in your placements. And I look forward to seeing all of y'all in the graduates channel posting about your offers that have come through and all of the new things that you've learned and are sharing with future cohorts. So congratulations, and big shout out to Melissa as well.
Congratulations to Crush. That's my sister. I know how hard she worked at that and all the time she took and dedication it took from her, and I'm proud of her. And congratulations to all the graduates as well.
You're on now.
Oh, it's my turn.
Mhm.
I wanted to say congratulations to everybody. And I am so proud of Ruthie and all the stuff that they have
Who are you?
learned. Oh, I'm Zach. I'm Ruthie's spouse. Hi. Yeah, it's just been incredible watching all of y'all. Y'all might not know this, but I sat in on a lot of meetings while I was doing the dishes, and Ruthie was at a meeting. But it's been amazing listening to y'all work and the stuff that Ruthie's accomplished. Is just, I'm overjoyed and very proud. So.
All right, last chance. Speak now or forever hold your peace. Anyone?
I'll go. Can I go even though I'm just a graduate?
Of course.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for being here at our graduation. I want to say that I'm just very honored and proud to have done Tectonica next to all of you. Many people here wouldn't know that my mom had a horrible stroke early in the program, and I'm still here on graduation day in no small part to all of the people in my cohort, the staff at Tectonica, as well as the mentors. I faced a lot of challenges, but this program did exactly what it promised to do, which was to help people in difficult situations rise up in tech. So I'm really honored to have been here and watched so many different kinds of people make such amazing progress. So thank you, Michelle, for founding this, for Tiffany for finding all those placements, Christina and Sarah for teaching us. Joy, a special shout out for always sending me a reminder to do the weekly survey, because I always forget. And I'm really looking forward to working with the new cohort and filling in some of the gaps of my knowledge. So thanks for being here and having us.
Do any other new grads want to say anything? It's not. All right. Thank you, everyone. We are going to move into karaoke mode, which means you need to turn on your filters so we can have a party. If you would not like to be here for that, that's okay. But yeah, thanks everyone for joining. I hope you had a fun time, and it's so wonderful to have your support. Congratulations. Yay.
Hello, everybody. It's time that we're moving into the karaoke round of this evening, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. This has started because I promised like 4 months ago that I would sing for you all, and I have not done it. So I'm going to do it, but I have to switch my setup around just a little bit. And I can't hear you right now because I have to plug this microphone in. So for those of you who sing, you just need to find the video that you want to do on YouTube, a karaoke version. And that's what you got to do. And I'm trying to, I found it earlier and then I closed my tab because I was being silly. Okay. So it went away, unfortunately. For those of you who don't know, I used to be a musician. I say this because I still kind of am, but I haven't really been doing it for a long time. And here we go. Here we go. This is for all my friends out here. And why is it not playing now? That's right. Here we are. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you say my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Thinking round here you'd think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's-its and what's-its galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them again? Feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling around down the, what's the word again? Streets. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of your world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Bet you on land they understand, but
they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand and ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it burn? When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above, out of the sea? Wish I could be part of your
Can you hear me clapping? Oh my god.
I
That was
know
amazing.
who else wants
Oh.
karaoke?
Believe it or not, I did
Wow.
mix so I could listen to you do that. That's wonderful.
Encore, encore, encore.
Yeah, now I want to hear opera.
How
You
about
need
the
to practice, Sarah.
Now
I want to hear
time I'll do
everything.
opera. Yeah.
Next graduation. All
Next-
right, we
next
have
graduation.
that recorded. Tanya's like already nodding and excited for this.
Okay. Who
Wow.
wants to karaoke next? Well, I know we got some singers in this group here. And Vlad. I don't know if you sing, Vlad, but you've been, encored. Melissa, I know you came prepared.
Janice looks like she's ready to sing a different mermaid song.
Yes. Perhaps. Come on. I was told that there would be more than just me karaokeing here.
Sochi, a reindeer song?
We could do a Christmas song. I want to know what these eye things are. Are they like goggles under the sea, or are they like superhuman, like beep, 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 beep goggles?
The 3D one? Oh, that's like an Oculus or something.
Yeah.
Fancy. So when you heard that there were other people, who did you hear about?
More, I was like, are other people going to sing with me? And Melissa was voluntold. And apparently, Melissa's not unvolunteering. This morning, it seemed like there was some people going to do it. And now the moment comes, I'm seeing some backing out. Come on, y'all. If you want to make this a biannual tradition.
So I was telling people earlier that the first fundraiser event Tectonica ever did was a techie talent show. And at that point, we didn't really have much of a Tectonica community yet. But now we've got so many talented people. I think we could do that again and have people do all sorts of things. Also, we had a Rubik's Cube contest. And what else was part of that? It was nice and nerdy. It was really good.
Alma, do you want a Rubik's Cube contest for us and see if you can win it?
Yes. How long does it take? We can time you. Christine,
On
don't
the
you know how to put a
spot.
timer like up on the screen or
Oh
something?
my
Is
god,
that
no,
Zoom?
I just picked it up, but by the next graduation, I should be golden. I just grabbed it. I'm not good yet, but when I'm good, I'll see you there. We can do a little time thing. It'll be great.
Okay, you got 6 months. Yeah, Alma, you can sing for us instead.
I will do it if Diana and Linda and everyone else who likes anime does it with me.
Oh, Diana has a sore throat. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm sure. So unfortunately on Zoom, it's hard to have multiple people singing at the same time, but you could sing it and they could mute themselves, or you could take turns back and forth.
My anxiety said no.
It's okay. Good job listening to that anxiety sometimes and advocating for yourself.
Okay, now I need to hear like what special talents people have that we don't know about, because
Oh yeah.
I think this is a good opportunity to hear about.
Yeah. Should we round robin that? I think we should. Alma, as the person that shared the Rubik's Cube, you want to popcorn to somebody else to share a magic talent?
I'm gonna popcorn to Linda.
Excuse me. I actually do sing, but I won't do it. But that is my talent. And I'm going to pass it to Melissa.
Yes, same as Linda. I do sing, but I'm not going to today. And I will
Wait,
pass.
Melissa, don't you do comedy, stand-up comedy? I think this could be a really great opportunity for you to practice.
Oh no, I haven't done it in a long time, so
Aw.
thank you.
In 6 months, right?
Yes, 6 months. It's been 6 months. I'll pass it on to Berlin.
I can't sing, but if I have like 4 margaritas, then I think I could sing. But my talent is I actually can sketch. Like I haven't done it in like a good year, but I can draw. So I will pass it over to Angel.
I've been thinking about that. Because one of the things that I like to do, well, I guess special talent will be like dancing and also 3D print. And I'll pass it to Kimberly.
Me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
You're like muting, unmuting, muting, unmuting. Oh, is that you're trying to be? I'm going through a tunnel. Can you hear me?
I don't really have a talent, or a secret talent, I guess. I could probably eat a whole bag of hot Cheetos in one sitting. I'll pass it to Sochi.
I don't think I have like comedy or anything, but I can sew. I can do that. That's not something you can show and tell here, but I'll go ahead and pass it off to Diana.
I like to I can rebuild controllers, and I'll pass it on to Horny.
So my talent would be I usually make my own ice cream at home. So the last ice cream I made was tiramisu ice cream. And I will pass it on to Christina.
Sorry, I was playing with the filters of the video and then I didn't know where I was. I don't have a talent. I can dance. I will dance everything. Or
What about your
anything.
crocheting, Christina?
Oh, but that takes time. Like I
No,
could not
show us
crochet.
what you've made. I'd love to see some stuff.
Okay. Go around because I need to go and find it. It's not here in this room. I pass to Tanya.
Hello. I would say I like to do digital art. I really also have the talent of eating a lot of tamales during Christmas time, no matter how many days in a row. So I'm usually the one who finishes them off whenever everybody else gets tired of eating them. Yes, exactly. And I'm also really good at taking notes. So whoever volunteered to perform for the next graduation, I have it on lock. So I'll hit y'all up. Thank you. I'll popcorn it to who hasn't gone yet. Michelle.
Ooh. Which one? I don't know. I have been trying to learn to paint these kind of abstract floral things. Look at this. I'm totally copying some other. Oh, it looks like the flowers on my head. There you go. That's mine.
Okay, I'm back. Here are the little things that I do on crochet. The thing is that I don't have a lot of things because I give it away. Those are called amigurumis. And I don't do anything else, just little things. And this is the only one that I keep in my house, Baby Yoda. But yeah, I pretty much can do anything on crochet. This size. I cannot do clothes or things. Yeah. Sorry, I broke the flow. Don't know.
Who do you want to popcorn to, Christina?
Who's haven't gone? Presh?
This isn't really so much a secret talent, but since the cohort started, I started making my own matcha lattes at home, and I can confidently say I probably make the best matcha latte in all of Oakland. Yeah, Angie attests to that. I'll popcorn it over to Tiffany.
My secret talent is jump roping.
I knew that was coming. Tiffany, I think you should jump rope for us because I've never seen you jump rope, but I've known that that's your secret
It's a
talent for a
real
long time.
talent. I'm not lying.
That's so cool.
Yeah, maybe one day I'll bring my computer outside and I'll do the whole
6 months. You have 6 months.
Wait, Alma, do you jump rope too?
I do double dutch.
Oh, nice.
So when we meet in person, Tiffany, we can double dutch together next time.
Who hasn't gone? Vlad, right? Yes, I pass it to Vlad.
I am unmuted. Guess special talent, not really a talent, but something I picked up recently is painting miniatures. Just very hard to see because of Zoom and hard to focus in, but
Whoa.
just picked that up recently. So this is a snake warrior thing. So yeah.
Do you have to use those special glasses to see what you're painting? Or you just kind of squint at it?
I just squint. I think the glasses would be helpful, but I just squint at it.
That's so cool though. Wow.
I don't know who's left.
I think Taylor, Jocelyn, did you go? Linda, did you go? Janice? Linda Vince.
I don't think it's a
Ruthie?
secret, but I play the drums. Usually play throughout the day. So yeah.
So you can play for us right now?
I think my iPad's actually dead, so I don't have any music going through.
6
That's
months.
okay.
No, I mean I can actually upload a video and send it to everyone on the chat.
That'd be so cool. I also remember you talking about making a penny table.
Yeah.
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 Do you want to tell people about that?
Yeah, so I make tables or any wooden products, and I try to carve things out. It's been a while since I've done that though. Wait, Janice, did you go? No, okay, so popcorn to you.
Okay, cool. I don't know if I have a consistent talent that I do every day, but I recently got a harp, so I'm gonna learn how to play that hopefully. Yeah. I think Ruthie, did you go already? Okay, Ruthie.
I do sing, but I'm not going to because I have COVID, so I'm not gonna do it. But I'll show you one of my other things I like to do because as someone with ADHD, I have a lot of interests. So let me stop blurring or having a background. Choose virtual background, none. Okay. So my closet is, I keep like my mixed media art. So I like make paintings and then I do collages on them. Did y'all see that? Great. Taylor, do you want to share?
Sure. I don't have a whole lot of secret talents. I like plants and stuff. But I've been told people like some of the wacky voices I do when I do like improv comedy bits and stuff. So I do voices every once in a while. I don't know how they sound over Zoom, and I'm also kind of sick. So I don't know, I'll just leave you with some of these or something. I don't know, it's a Wednesday and I haven't really been practicing or developing a character or anything. So you're gonna have to just take what you get or something. But yeah, it's y'all just let the next person go. I don't know who's next. I don't know, don't do this. Who's next? Come on, somebody has to pick up the slack here a little bit.
That's bringing me much joy. Thank you. I don't know if anybody's left to go. Supreet, did you go? Wait,
I guess. Oh,
Anya.
It's not a talent, but I just wanted to say something real quick. Shout out to my queer and neurodiverse folks, y'all. Like, I saw y'all. Yes, I saw your TikToks. I saw y'all on, Tectonica website, and y'all made me want to apply even more. So you're already making the change that you're set out to make. And I just wanted to say that. Thank you.
Has everybody gone? Has everybody shared a talent? Anybody have any? Yeah, Supriya, did you go?
No, I don't have any hidden talent. Just I can cook food fast. And recently I started learning music along with my daughter. Yeah. Oh my God, when gone? I don't know. He's not gone.
I think maybe everybody's gone now. I want to remind you all that this is not it, as it were. We'll still be seeing each other every week, and we'll still be around if you need us for anything. And yeah, does anybody want to say anything? Any last feelings?
Joss has something to end this off with, if anything.
Okay, is it time? Oh wait, Berlin wants to say something.
Before the fun coordinator jump on, I just it was really great meeting everyone, getting to know everyone. Y'all is amazing. I'm so Texas. And yeah, me and the fun coordinator, we have a poll if we're trying to put like an end of the year trip. So it's either between like a cruise or Las Vegas. So it's going to be, we're doing it big. This cohort going all out. Yeah. So that was it. Jocelyn, take over.
Well, I just want to say that I'm really proud of everyone. It wasn't an easy journey, but I know everyone worked really hard, and I'm excited for all of you and your future. And hopefully we can all stay in contact and continue to support each other. This is really, really loud, but here goes to our cohort. Cheers, cheers, everyone. Woo! That's it.
I love how Zoom was like, nope, I'm noise opening that.
Yeah, Zoom totally canceled that out.
Oh, no, okay. Well, it was really loud on this side. It was really loud here. So just to everyone.
Crash, can we see Enzo one more time, please? For old
There
time's
he is,
sake.
right there. Rob. Enzo, I'm gonna. The sunglasses went to him, or the hat. It brought me joy. Enzo, I shall miss your fluffy face.
Maybe
Angel,
I can get Maggie to say hi too.
you got some kittens? You got some kittens, Angel?
I don't know where they at.
Aw.
Yeah, sorry.
Here's Maggie.
There's a floofy Maggie. I love her face. Like, nope. Max, come here.
Like, why are we doing this?
Look who I got. Look at the friends I got. Yeah, you want to say hi? You're like, I want a treat. Come here. Yeah. Oh, good job. Okay, you can have a treat for being so good. Yeah, no new cohort people sharing your pets is obligatory. You have to do it. It's not a choice. Oh, there's a kitten. Thank you. Love this one's like, nope, let me go on the back of the chair. Back of the chair time for me. I love it. Congratulations, everybody. Any other final words before you jump off into the rest of your futures?
Ooh, I'll go. Thank you everyone for always being so kind and offering support at every turn. I feel like there was always a time that if anyone needed something, it truly did feel like there was so much community. And it's just so nice to see so many queer, so many women, so many POC, and so many people that truly like are in this community that need that representation step into tech. I hope we can all stay in touch. Please feel free to hit me up for anything if you ever just want to catch up, if you just want to talk about work or whatever's happening. I'm really proud of all of us, and I'm so glad that we were able to get through this program together. It was hard, but we did it. We can do hard things, and now we're all engineers.
Go out and get that guacamole money, my friends. Get extra sour cream on that.
We can finally afford a nice bottle of wine if anybody who likes wine.
Yeah, you can. No more Charles Shaw unless you want to drink Charles Shaw. Anybody else want to say anything? Okay, then I shall end the recording.